A trading plan is a set of rules and guidelines that shapes and defines your trading behavior, financial goals, money management, risk management techniques, and criteria for opening and closing positions. It allows you to anticipate different scenarios in the market based on past experiences, and it gives you direction so that you can make informed decisions. A good trading plan should include your entry points, exit points, risk management, trading strategies, and emotional control. A trading plan should be researched and written document that guides the trader's decision. So these questions can be subjective. Just answer it based on your own preference. So let's start with the first question. What market session do I trade? You could choose what market session you're trading, which pair, what time is the session. This could be from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. What trading strategy am I using? This could be like scalping, swinging. Are you intraday? Are you long-term, short-term? Are you trading news or no? Are you holding over the weekend or not? I'm not going to get into depth, but you should know like your entry trigger, like what triggers you. Like, do you get triggered based on FOMO, fear of missing out? Or do you get triggered based on like what makes you enter a trade? You want to write that down. What am I looking for to take a trade? So the first one is what makes you get into a trade. The second question is what am I looking for to take a trade? Are you looking for an uptrend market to take a buy as support? Are you looking for a downtrend market to take a sell at resistance? Or are you doing both? Or you're counter trending? Are you selling in an uptrend market and you're buying in a downtrend market? When should I secure? Are you securing based on previous historical price levels, or securing based on percentage, or are you securing based on pips? How many trades should I take in a day? You want to define how many trades that you should take in a day. Is it going to be one? Is it going to be two? When to avoid a trade? When do you think the best time to avoid the trade? Is that like on a holiday? Maybe news day? Which news is it? So risk management section. Placing stop loss or a mental stop loss. Now, if you say you're placing a stop loss, that means every trade that you enter, you should have a stop loss. Because the moment you lose and you don't have a stop loss, and in your plan, you said that you're placing a stop loss, you basically broke your plan. You did not follow it. Okay. How much are you willing to lose? That's the first question that should come also to your mind before you take a trade. How much are you willing to lose? Is it a certain number of dollars a day? Is it a certain percentage a day? Is it certain pips? What is the risk to reward ratio? Is it 1-to-1, 1-to-2, 1-to-3? How much risk per trade? Are you risking 1%? Are you risking 5%? 10%? What is the maximum drawdown that you would want to see? Drawdown meaning the max negative dollar amount that you saw negative. What is the daily, weekly, monthly goal? You want to write down like how much you want to make a day, how much you want to make a week, how much you want to make a month. When do I cut losses? I'm not going to answer this one. Again, I want you guys to write what you think. There's no wrong answers. Okay, there's no wrong answers. You just gotta, especially if you're starting out, it's best to have these down, because later on in your journey, you're gonna want to change some things. You're gonna look back at this and be like, this doesn't make sense. When do I secure profit and let a runner? I'm not gonna answer that too. What time frame will I focus on? Are you focusing on the higher time frames, lower time frames, such as like the 15-minute, the 5-minute, 1 minute, or are you focusing on the daily, the 4-hour, the monthly, weekly? Are you going to be using indicators or signal providers? Are you going to be using trend lines, support resistance? Are you going to be entering based on setups or price action? I would have to make another video about that, price action versus setups. Mission and rules. Why you want to trade. This here you want to be completely honest with yourself. Why you want to trade. Um, if you write down that you want to trade because you want a Lambo or Rolex or get rich quick, then I doubt you watched this whole video in the first place. But let's see why you want to trade. Could be financial freedom, or you want to quit a job. What is your goal? Your goal should be to achieve success in trading the financial markets. Right? Now, rules. And you want to write this down. I have no idea what the outcome of any individual trade will be. 2, today could be a negative day. 3, accept the loss of the next trade financially. For daily rules, review a personal journal entry twice a week. Read prior day's trade journal. Review prior day's trade. Check economic data. And always remember, there's always another day.